my god. Oh, I love the color. Let's see. Okay. Right. Okay, looks like this has... That looks like orange blossom to me. Mandarin. Either rose or peony. Let's see. Oh, jasmine, Bulgarian rose, vanilla flower. Damn, I was wrong about everything. Let's see. Okay, so actually that was jasmine, rose, Bulgarian rose, vanilla flower. Huh. Sakura blossom. Okay, so they have it right here, a breakdown of like what the top, mid, and base notes are. Pamplemousse, grapefruit. Should we try it? Oh my god, this is literally... Okay, what is this? Number 14. Okay, they're calling this Maison Louis Marie, number 14. Guys, this is literally identical to the Coco Mademoiselle. I wore this for like so many years. It's identical. I would be so curious to know like how much this costs, because the Coco is like so expensive. Ooh. Okay, to be honest, once it dries, it's giving also though like some almost like powdery, like fresh notes, which I don't love. When the cocoa dries, it's more floral. Oh, okay. I don't like this fragrance. Yeah, it's not for me. That's okay. Love trying new stuff. Okay. Cute little, let's see, it's a blush brush. Let's see if it's angled. What is the brand? Alamar. Honestly, I love brushes that are this like color, because if they start shedding, you don't get like black hairs all over your face. So I actually am like really happy to have like more brushes like this. Okay, let's see what else is in this, because this one's supposed to be like a mystery bag. Okay, JLo Beauty, that Blockbuster hydrating cream. Again, I'll probably gift it. I don't like to use like just random like skincare. I don't mind trying some new beauty, but like skincare not so much, just because like my skin is doing really good right now. But to be honest, like this would also be perfect for travel, so I'll probably just like throw it in my little travel kit. Okay, Glow Recipe. This is a Wen, PHA and BHA, so this will make me really like shiny, glowy. Super cute. It's really tiny. These are like little travel sizes, y'all. Glow Recipe I will use. And then what is this? Oh, Wander Beauty. Okay, this is good brand. They have this at Sephora. Lip oil. I love lip oils, so okay, that's something. I would have bought this literally just for the bag, because I love the little bag. I'll show it to you in a second. Okay, yeah. And it's more of like a shiny balm. And there is like, it's so hard to get on camera, but it's actually sparkly. There's a little sparkle in there. That's a good one. Okay. This is the final part, guys. This is why This is the whole reason I ordered this bag, and I was so wondering if this would be plastic. Let's see. No, it's actually metal, some type of metal. So that's awesome. And it's a bit different. It's like darker than like what is pictured on their website. On the website, it looks really red. Here, it's like more of a, I don't know. I don't even want to call that burgundy. It's more of like a purple almost. It's like a dark like raspberry purple, but it's so cute. And this will be perfect like for when I go out, if I just want to take my cell phone and like my credit card, especially like for the holidays. So cute. And this was just part of one of the bags that you buy separately for $20. And you know, like I said, even if nothing came in it, like I just really wanted this little bag for something, so I'm happy with it. And I'm always happy to get lip oils. So what do you guys think? Cute.